Hello children, welcome to yet another class on MS Word Practicals. Okay, I'm going to screen share with you and we're going to learn about the keyboard, a little more about the keyboard. This is a standard keyboard that you have and these are the arrow keys and the shift keys that we're going to learn about today. Arrow keys help you to navigate. Is to move up or down in your document. Okay, your mouse helps you, but sometimes you need to use your keyboard. Now this is the up arrow key. Now for example, I'm keeping my cursor here. Can you see? Now I'm using this key and I'm moving up. I'm going to use this key and move down. I'm going to use this key and move towards the left, and this key and I go towards the right. All right. Now, this is the arrow keys and how they help you to move. Shift key. There are two shift keys on your keyboard. One is located to your left and one is located to your right. It helps you when you need to put a capital letter. For example, I'm keeping my cursor here. I'm using the shift key to my left and clicking on S because it's close by. Then I am using this shift key and clicking L. Okay. So that's why for our convenience of typing with both our hands, there are two shift keys, one to the left and one to the right of your keyboard. Now, a combination of the shift and the arrow keys. What does it do? It helps you to select. For example, I'm keeping my cursor here. This is my current position. If I press the shift key and the stop arrow key, I start selecting things to the top. Now, if I click the shift key and the down arrow key, what happens is I start selecting things below that insertion point or my current point. Now I want to use the left arrow key with the shift. Left arrow and shift. See how my cursor moves to the left? All right, it will keep on. Whatever is selected will get deselected. And now from this point to this point, it will be selected. Okay. And then shift and the left arrow key, right arrow key goes towards your right. Now there's another combination of shift and end. You see you have a home key and an end key here. Now, I'm going to use shift and home. So from that current point to the beginning of my sentence. Then again I click my cursor there, shift and end key to the end of the sentence. So this is the combination of your arrow keys and your shift keys. So what did you learn? The arrow keys. There are 4 arrow keys: up arrow, down arrow, left arrow, right arrow. Your 2 shift keys to the left and right of your keyboard. A combination of the shift key and the arrow keys to select. A combination of the shift key and the home key. Combination of the shift key and the end key. Now suppose also the shift key and the letters to get capital letters. Now supposing I type something, I need to click this, okay, copy and paste. Now I want it again. I click this button here. This is called the redo button. Okay, I can redo it a number of times. And as you remember, the undo button also we have learned in the previous class. Thank you so much. I hope this has been an informative lesson for you. Thank you and keep watching.